Are you searching for the best sliding table saw? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best sliding table saw in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, 8-inch dust-free wood cutting machine. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Multifunctional woodworking sliding table panel. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Portable woodworking sliding table saw, 8-inch pipe rack table saw. Parameters: cutting capacity 90 degrees, 75 millimeters, 45 degrees, 50 millimeters. Output power 1500 W, no load speed 4500 R/min. Saw blade specification 210 by 25.4 millimeters. Product weight 17 kilograms. Features: metal tube frame body, aluminum countertop, invertible engraving machine, customizable push table. Batch cutting.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. Electric woodworking dustproof cutting machine, 8-inch sliding table saw, 220V electric woodworking dustproof cutting machine, multifunction angle adjustable 210 mm wooden saw. Number 5. JTS 250 IID woodworking sliding table saw. JTS 250 IID woodworking sliding table saw, multifunctional 10-inch woodworking cutting machine, household electric wood cutting saw, voltage 220V, 50 Hz single phase, saw blade size 250 15.9 2.8 mm 40 teeth, power 1800 W. The front and rear travel of the push table 840 mm, no load speed of 4500 RPM, width of the left push table at 280 mm, saw blade tilt range 0.45 degree, right slide width 210 mm, can move left and right, max cutting width 680 mm, right backrest. To saw blade /520 mm, push table backrest to saw blade, main table size 655 mm /650 1334 mm, with extension table, saw blade cutting depth 90 degrees 65 mm, 45 degrees 47 mm.